Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss this option strategy, that is when to buy a put option. So basically put option is an option wherein the holder gets the right to sell the underlying but not under obligation. So let us understand when this option would be appropriate. A trader should go for buying a put option when he or she is expecting the price to go down. So in that case, the put profit would be maximum 0x minus ST minus P0. What does it mean? The stock price ST stands for here is the stock price and K is the exercise price, right? So profit would be payoff minus cost. Let us understand with the help of an example. For example, आपने TCS का एक शेयर है जिसके बारे में आप बेरिश हैं कि इसका जो प्राइस है आने वाले टाइम पे कम हो सकता है, तो आपने क्या किया, आपने एक पुट ऑप्शन खरीदी उसकी ₹2.75 में एट अ स्ट्राइक प्राइस ऑफ से 55 रुपीज. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन दैट इन केस आपने स्टॉक प्राइस जो है वो अब चला जाता है 5 रुपीज, so in that case what will happen, you will not exercise this option and your maximum loss or profit would be negative to the tune of say the premium that you have paid. On the contrary, if the price goes down, you can always सेल दिस ऑप्शन, क्योंकि मार्केट में जो प्राइस है वो कम है और आप जो है उसको जो है ज्यादा पे बेच के यू कैन हैव दिस पे ऑफ ₹5 if it goes down of 50 and then the cost you have incurred is 2.75, the final profit that you will be accrued to you would be 2.25 rupees. Let me try to explain it in a other way. So we can say that this strategy of buying a put option is known as long put. And when to buy this option? When the price of the asset is expected to go down. Herein your payoff would be strike price minus your stock price and the profit would be payoff minus cost. So let us explain further with the example. So for example, you are bearish on bank nifty, right? So if you are bearish on bank nifty and in that case it is better for you to go for buying a put option. What will happen? Your risk would be limited to the premium you have paid in case your view goes the other way around, in case the bank nifty goes up. Rewards can be unlimited and you will achieve your break even strike price minus the premium. So when you will earn profit in this case when the bank nifty goes down, that means आपने जो सोचा था बेरिश आपने सोचा था और इसीलिए आपने put option खरीदी, when your view and the market view will be same, obviously you will earn the profit. On the other hand, the maximum loss would be when the bank nifty goes up and the option not exercised. So this way you can maximize your profit and minimize your loss by buying a put option.